Similar problem. Y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. xy equal to c square. Cut orthogonally. Find the condition. Same model bit. 2y into dy by dx. 4a into 1. dy by dx. 4a by 2y. 2 table cancel. m1 value 2a by y. Just take second one. uv formula. u dash v. v dash u. Derivative of any constant 0. So x into dy by dx minus y. dy by dx minus y by x. m2 value. Given theta equal to 90 degrees. m1 into m2. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. 2a by y minus y by x equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel, y cancel. By cross multiplication, x equal to 2a. Substitute this one in the first equation. Y square equal to 4ax. X value 2a. So y equal to under root 8a square. This is a value of y. Substitute this one in the second equation. X value 2a, y value equal to c square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. 4 square, 8a square equal to c power 4. So condition is c power 4 equal to 32. 32 a power 4. 32 a power 4. Next one, angle between the two curves. Y equal to sin x. Y equal to cos x. What is the angle between two curves formula? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is tan theta formula. First you calculate point of intersection. So solve these two equations. Sin x equal to cos x. That means x value is pi by 4. So their point of intersection is x equal to pi by 4. First calculate m1. m1 equal to dy by dx equal to cos x. m1 equal to cos 45. 1 by root 2. Similarly, take second one. dy by dx minus sin x. dy by dx at pi by 4. This is m2 minus sine 45 1 by root 2. So tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. m1 value 1 by root 2 minus of minus 1 by root 2 by 1 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Take LCM. Root 2 LCM. 1 plus 1. Root 2 into root 2 2. 2 LCM. 2 minus 1. So finally 2 by root 2 numerator value, denominator value 2 by 1. Take its reciprocal. Root 2 times cancel. 2 root 2. So theta equal to tan inverse. Theta equal to tan inverse 2 root 2. Next. The angle between x square equal to 4y, y square equal 4x at the point 4 comma 4. All of you listen. Y square equal to 4ax, x square equal to 4ay. Suppose given these two curves, they are intersect at 0 0 4a 4a. At 0 0 theta is pi by 2. At 4a 4a tan inverse 3 by 4. This is standard formula. X square equal 4ay, y square equal 4x. Angle between these two curves. These two curves are intersect at 2 points 0 0 4a 4a. At 0 0 they cut orthogonally. Other than at this point 4a 4a, tan inverse 3 by 4. Tan inverse 3 by 4. So observe this one. X square equal to 4ay, y square equal to 4ax. 4a value 4, 4a value 4. So given 4a 4a point. So theta equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. But not given this option. Given sine inverse 3 by 5 option. So take the diagram 3, 4, 5. 3 by 4 hypotenuse 5. Sine inverse opposite side by hypotenuse. Next one. Okay.